Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create a simple, fun eyeshadow look with a little pop of color on the eyes. This pretty periwinkle from the e.l.f. Celestial Winter Palette and neutral on top of that. So if you guys would like to see how I created this quick and simple eyeshadow look with a little pop of color, then just keep watching. All right, you'll probably hear my boys yelling in the background. They are playing NHL 24 with their cousins, and it just gets so loud when they're gaming. So I just wanted to do a fun little eyeshadow look for tonight. We have a hockey game, so wanted to create an eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go in with my Gwen Stefani Simple Kind of Life neutral palette. I'm going to go in with the warmer tone right here, and I'm just going to blend that up on top of my brow bone. Now I'm going to go into the neutral tone that has more of a cooler undertone, more of some olive undertones in it with that same brush, and then just pop that on the outer corner part of my eye. Really get it into the deeper part of the outer corner of my eye, and then just blend it up on top of the outer brow bone. With a flat brush, I'm going to go into the lighter tone that has, I'd say, some peachy undertones to it, and a flat brush. I'm just going to pat that on the lid. This is a great little neutral palette. The tones all kind of have a different undertone, and although they don't seem like, this cooler one doesn't look like it's a lot darker than the warmer neutral, but it does show up a lot darker on the lid. Just going to kind of pat that all over. Now I'm taking another flat brush that I just gave a squirt of setting spray to, and I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. palette. This is the Celestial Winter palette. I'm going to go into this periwinkle color right here and just kind of get it to be a little bit more creamy using that setting spray. So just give it a generous spray. And I'm just going to create an eyeliner with this. And I'm just going to pat it along my lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this pointed brush and a little bit of this kind of lavender, really light lavender foiled color, and just pop that in the inner corner just to brighten it up in there. And I just followed along with the periwinkle color in the inner corners of my eye. So I just tight lined. I think my lash line needed that just to kind of make the periwinkle pop a little more. But how pretty is that? Beautiful color combo together. Now I'm gonna go in with my putty bronzer. This is, I don't have, oh, do I have the shade on here? Bahamas. So a really pretty orange color, and I'm gonna pop that on my cheeks because I think that will just pair really nicely with the periwinkle. It'll make that pop. And this is just such a pretty blush color. And again, it's getting muted out a bit from the camera, from the ring light maybe. Even the lavender, or not the lavender, even the periwinkle's getting a little bit muted out. It looks a little bit brighter in person. All right, this is the final look. Really easy eyeshadow to do. Little bit of color, little bit of depth. Easy to apply, great for deep set eyes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look and the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.